In this, you have to add new user on a HP laptop. So first you need to go to account settings and scroll down, and you can see the other user is there. You need to click it and click add other user, add account. Once you click this pop-up will appear, and wait for a few seconds. After that, you need to click I do not have the person sign in information. Click it, and here you can click add a user without a Microsoft account. You can click, and you can give a guest or friend. If you have a Microsoft account, you can go with the Microsoft account. If you not have, you can go with like this. Then after guest or friends, you can write it. And after that, you need to click next. And if you have a password, means you can enter password and click next. It's created, the account is created. And after that, you need to restart your PC. Before restarting, it will not show in your profile. So you need to restart your PC, and after that you can open, it will shows. Okay, now you can see it's not showing in your profile, so you need to restart your PC. Then after you can open and check, it will shows. So this is how to